Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be trying on, it's going to be a try on haul. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I know SHIEIN is a large store and sometimes it's hard to navigate certain things you want. I know that SHIEIN has like different category of clothing. And today I'm going to be showing you different clothings that I got from different stores within SHIEIN. I really am excited about this because it's a style that I don't really wear. You guys know my style is very tight and I can't really, you know my style. If you know, you know. So I like the fact that the clothes that I picked out were really classy clothes and very summery clothes. Summer is here. It's like 81 degrees today in New York City. That's where I'm from. That's where I live. If you are new to my channel, what's up? So, yeah, so I want to try on these clothes so we can get ready for summer because I want to slay this. I don't know about you, but I'm outside this summer. I don't know about you, but I'm outside this summer. So watch me try on these fabulous clothes. Yeah. And I did my hair in roller sets. How y'all liking that? The roller sets are from SHIEIN as well. SHIEIN Home. Hot pink. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm going to take down these curls, try these clothes on, and let's get to it. I actually really liked this dress. It's really comfortable. It's baggy. I feel like it's perfect for the summertime. The only thing I don't like is the sides. You can see like the sides of my fat. But other than that, I really do love this dress. This is my favorite dress out of all of them. It has a little imperfections, and it's not really because of the dress. I guess it's because of my body. Like, you know, obviously I want my boobs to sit up as I'm trying to right there, but they're not always meant for that. You can actually just leave them down and kind of cover them up so they're not super showing, but I'm so extra that I would actually probably wear it like this. I like the back. The back is really cute. It just shows my back rolls. The dress is perfect. It's just, I feel like I need to work on my body in order for me to feel comfortable wearing certain things with certain parts of my body out. Other than that, I love how it has the hood. I feel like Sierra. It's gorgeous, and I love the colors. This is the part I was talking about. It's kind of baggy right here, so it shows my waist trainer. Yes, I wear my waist trainer, child. So I wish that part was a little bit tighter. Other than that, I think it's a cute dress. I don't know where I wear it to. Maybe I'll just leave my hair, like, you know, the hoodie off so my back rolls don't show. But it's really comfortable. This dress, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's me. It's just, it's big. Like, I ordered the size that I wear, but it's big. As you can see, my boobs literally could fall out of it. I wish that the dress was more fitted up top as I'm trying to, you see how I'm adjusting it? That's how I wish the dress was kind of tighter, because I could have just put like, you know, like those little bralettes to pull up my boob. But it was just really big and open. But the color of the dress is gorgeous. It gives very 2000s. I just didn't like the way it fitted on my body per se. Loved this top. I feel like the top was a little bit bigger than the bottom, which I didn't like. I wish the top was a little bit more fitted. Other than that, it's really comfortable. I feel like I can just wear this anywhere and I'll feel comfortable, and I love that it's a button down, button up, button down. Who knows the difference? I don't. Yeah, it's really cute. I just wish the top was a little bit smaller, and that's me adjusting my wig, which I should have edited out, but hey. This dress is really, really adorable. I love it. I love it on me. It's just, it gives church. It gives, I'm going to church. I'm going to an event. It fitted really, really nice on me. I love the little frillies on the bottom. And I paired it with some pointy shoes I got from Zara's and my chrome heart glasses, thanks to my boyfriend. But yeah, I really did like this dress. Here's another one of my faves if my boobs were where they were to be. Hopefully I'm not trying to make anyone insecure if you have the same boobs as me. It's just me personally, I want my boobs lifted up. As I'm aging, they're sagging more. Anyway, this dress is really, really cute. I love it. It's super classy. I just need the boob area to be up and it will just give. This is my favorite out of all of them. My favorite. It hides the belly. It hides the back rolls. It hides the sagging. It hides everything but my booty, which is plump. So that's why I love it. It's so comfortable and I feel comfortable in it. Love the color. It gives 2000s. I just need like a little chain belt. They have so many of these on this store, like different colors. So definitely check it out. But yeah, this one is my absolute favorite. All for this try on haul. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment which one was your favorite. I have a lot more hauls coming up. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to see a more faster version. Love you guys.